If you're looking for a nearly new Silverado 1500 that still drives like it just left the factory, take a look at this 2024 LT. It's got four-wheel drive and a 5.3-liter V8 under the hood, giving you the power and towing capability Silverado owners count on. Mileage is right around 54,000 miles, so there's plenty of life left in this truck. Inside, you'll find a navigation system with voice recognition and a touchscreen display, LED headlights, a heated steering wheel, and driver assist features like lane keeping assist and pre-collision warning with both audible and visual alerts. This gray Silverado is priced at $38,988 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $39,287. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Give us a call or visit bryans.carcorner.com to schedule your test drive today.